Ebalekile vele ikhona vele ukuphokophela ngisho mina kuyona yonke into I think ukuphokophela yikho vele kahle kahle ukhiye because without khona ngabe kade sonke sa give up mfethu any expect nje mhlawumbe of life esikwenzayo yabo ngabe kade sa give up so manje wena mhlawumbe ungathi ama challenges ke nje from being in the industry lokuyona kube imaphi and mhlawumbe wa overcome kanjani
most challenges ila ukuthi asizi you booked for a certain event nivumelane ngemali ethile mhlawumbe how phela most times mina into engirealize la music especially thina ama musicians noma ama artists there's a difference between ama artists nama musicians ngiyachazela lokho
yeah awungachaza nje ukachaze
iartist uthothi lona likuyipost likwaziwa lona liqasha upromote ngene event uyabo uyazi ukuthi mengafaka iposter kanjabulo mhlawumbe ngisenginabantu ngenze example asisi isemlazi event stadium esithile mina ngiyazi vele ipromote yazi ukuthi nje wangibhukha unjabulo uzogcwala event yakho uyazi uyabo so mina njengonjabulo sengine team yami la abaculayo abadlalayo thina ama musicians thina sidila neartist because sidila vele music quality artist yabo
inini lenza lishine kahle kahle
lishine ngoba iidentity siperform lenze yonke into thina kahle kahle
and alikwazi ukuperform
singeke unless mefaka iCD naki
njengoba sekwenziwa ama
yeah I got dreams yeah I got dreams yeah I got dreams yeah I got dreams
Oh sanibonani babukele emakhaya sengiphinde ngabuya futhi with another episode of Now Popile hleli nolumkile wakazinyanga ke njengenjwayele yabona ukuthi awaka subscribe sesocabana manje yezo subscribe click notification button ushare umsebenzi wethu yabo ngoba sifuna usabalale nje kakhulu namhlanje nginiphathela ubhuti wami la unjabulo kamba kahle baba
ngiphela mfethu kunjani
ku grand mfethu ngiyabonga nje mfethu ukuthi ufike e-studio sikwazi mfethu ukuthi sisebenze yabo sike sayihlela yaphinde yanehiqa yabo enxa kuba busy
indoda fa uhlanganise
yeah ayivela ukwazi ukuthi kuma ndawonye uma uyindoda indoda engahlanganisi iyalamba mfethu yabo
mulala nemali yala
What are you good mfethu how is your day nje namhlanje mfethu
I'm very well very good
iviki lona likuphethe kahle
ngiyeza usinqala iflu nje kancane but fine
ya ngani manje
lo moya lona
Plazike sishintsha namasizini yazi mayishintsha ukuthi ngeke vele nathi singathinteki kancane yabona nami nje angazi ukuthi ngithe ngibuya ngisho koJozi ukuthi ngibuye ngingenayo kanjani iflo ngoba kuyabanda kuya ndawo
mhlambe nje ubuye nezifo zokugula
ngeke lutho mfethu awuse strong kakhulu
siyabonga
yakanti vele yonke into ekuthiwa siyayimanifest so manje ke nje for umuntu mfethu ungathi uyaqala nje uthi abone unjabulo ungamchaza ukuthi ubani unjabulo
okay unjabulo Hlatshwayo born and bred in Durban kwaMashu musician so I've done gigs almost all over South Africa playing for various artists I've been even overseas bengiyise France last year in Morocco so that's it I specialize more with bass
Okay I know very still going there but sazo vele right vele ukuthi awubabona siphatha abantu aba serious yabo yo mfethu yazi ukuthi but if you pushing your pushing bram nangihlezi ngisho ngithi hlezi ku serious yabo because manje baningi abantu who are not doing that yabo abanye abantu bayasakhama mfethu too many things so manje ke usho ke nje bekunjani ke nje ukukhulela kwaMashu because ngifuna siqale sazi nje ngawe ke nje unjabulo as a person yabo before we even jump ke kutheni how did you meet your talent yabo
mfethu kaMashu kunalento ukuthi indawo yosikhotheni
sinqawu vele
manje ukuze but there's no such
ngeke bafake
yabo
sinqawu
I lovely people
mina ngisho inkabi indaba
mfethu lutho sayikho lutho samba ngisho ku1 ekseni la
yabo awona phela mhlawumbe ubone and bread phela sike sithi uma ubone and bread phela ngoba phela mina uMashu nje yabo nje Baxter ayindawo lezo phela engihlezi ngizwa
kuthiwa phela mfethu ayikho phela indawo eperfect yonke indawo khona indawo la somewhere yabo but nje mfethu it's a nice place ingama phoyisa amaningi kakhulu manje
wona ubukhulela ngakuphi na uMashu
ka-Asia
Ka-Asia.
Princess Magogo Stadium.
Oh okay ngiyabona so manje binjani ke upbringing yakho mfethu i-family structure nje even starting
right.
from ekhaya mfethu
uyazi ke phela sizalo umama uthi akashadile ukhuliswa gogo nomkhulu
yeah
oledi nje la kavela athiwa umeyancane wena unangane
gogo basoft
gogo nomkhulu yesi lengane so ubona abangikhulisa ke from isikole ke wathi ugogo yami ingane ngiyayifunde kumasha hayi ngoba mhlambe subuyela phansi ukanjani okukhona okungcone
kodwa vele phela wonke umuntu uhleze efuna
wathi ungifisa into engcono so funda ku Tiny Tots Greenwood Park zonke lezo zinto growing up
okay ila mhlawumbe ungathi khona usasemncane asike nje khona ke nje lapho ke did you always know mhlawumbe ukuthi ufuna ukuthi ube ngakwento ene no music noma mhlawumbe it's something we discover along the way
Luther discovered on the way bengumdlali webhola kahle
udlala iphi position
goalkeeper
ngithi uzothi udlala wonke
ukuhamba ngisho impukane
phela umuntu owathi udlala yonke positions vele sibonda inkomo ke lena
phela sikhulu yabo elokushini ukudlala idisc yonke leyo nto phathi bengikwazi udlala naphakathi ngidlala u7 gijima kakhulu I did athletics cross country representing iDurban North region yonke leyo nto
okwanhle umdlalo serious representant both on the field and nasepaleni
yabo nasesikoleni menguthi nama school competitions imini kaziwa nje ukuthi ugijima nje mina uhamba phambili
should vele ubuvela umuntu mfethu energetic yabo in a way
dlala ibhola esikhulayo namajita and ended up playing for another team ukuthi Metro FC Metro Football Club
Metro lo wama security noma
hayi Metro kuthiwa iMetro
okay
lo ma security
then okay
so along the way ke ilokhu iputshuka lento music ilokhu iputshuka so uyaputshuka kanjalo
lazi kuyahlekwa ke phela groundini mawuthi uyacula mfethu ukadlali bebhola
angikwazi mina ukucula mina angikwazi mina ukucula mina I specialize with certain instrument ne production or logic and stuff yonke leyo
hayi kodwa phela ngeke ngezwe nje uno music nje kanti usukwenzani kona music
ngiyabhala phela ukhona online futhi zonke lezo
uyabhala base ama vocals
mase ngiyambiza umuntu uthi ufuna ucule kanje
base wena ushaya uhlanganisa music and produce the whole thing that's nice mfethu that's nice should nathi there is hope mfethu singakwazi ukushaya umzwilili ukuthi hayi nathi singaphumelela kwenye indawo
phela bese ka music it's not about ukuthi
mic uyibheka nje kahle
ka music nje mfethu it's not about ukuthi fanele ubonakala lapha stage khona abantu abakuthiwa ama behind the scenes kakhulu ama producers ne manager and stuff nama songwriters
plus phela umusic vele mfethu uyinto spiritual kakhulu mfethu noma it's very diverse mfethu ngisho njalo ukuthi ziningi izinto that has to go in ku music abantu abaningi bayitshela ukuthi you just playing sound and then umuntu uyacula kanti kuningi ngempela kuyenza
seboni end product start somewhere from songwriting kuhlanisa beats na yonke leyo nto
so music did you encounter music mhlawumbe ususe high school ukuthi uqale ukufundeke to play an instrument yiphi uqala wayifunda
bangidlala ama drum before ngisase primary
okay
kiso ngayeka
i rhythm vele khona nakona ama drum
yabo lento okukhulele esontweni kusontweni lakho khona nomkhulu and stuff so mengifika e high school ngangenza ugrade bani standard 6 grade 8 started lapho ukudlala ibass
ibe vele ikhona esikoleni vele kwayona mhlawumbe ukuthi iyafundiswa noma wazile hobby nje kuyinto eniyenza
ngaba nenhlanhla ngasekhaya ngahlala nama emajit uthi aseqalile asithe ukukhula nami yabo lokho engifaka kuthiwa ayoza masipractice yonke leyo nto na ubambe yabo ngiyema kunamagigi nje ngiyengidlala imali ngifuna ukudlala ngifuna ukufunda
lazi ibass ihlezi imnandi phela ibass yabo
ibass phela ibass besides ukuthi ubiza ngebass nombhedo unebass
phela
ibass mingekho kwenzakala
hayi vele nje ngisho ukuthi ngibabone ngisho kuma event uthi abantu bebass kuze kukhale kuthiwa lo muntu ayifila kangaka lento
phela ibass yona ikho yengoma ibambe rhythm yengoma kahle
ngaphandle kwayo nje vele ingoma ayinayo ibass singasho njalo ukuthi iyayifanele ayinasisiki
ayinasiki
yeah
so ibass iyakwazi ukubamba irhythm groove yengoma nayo yonke into.
Yini yak-inspireisha ukuthi usuke from drums to yona ke manje
ke bass? Bese khuluma umjida bese ngimbuka. Wayeswedlala mfethu kwakuvele kuduma imbambo la. Idumiswe iVR6, uzivuka iVR6. Ayingathi ngeke besileto le mfethu. Ngiyayithanda. Yabo mase sehlele sedlala ngichazelo imbuka ngithi. Isomjida wethu. Ngeke mfethu ngoyenza angempela. Yabo. So ngayiqala lento ngisho lekhaya ngisholo nje ukuthi hayi thanda ibass ioledi selisekhula selisebenza na.
Yeah.
Within 1 week umuntu sengiphathela isiginci.
Hawu.
Ngisholo nje ngiyaqala kanjalo.
Yabona ku right ukuba nomuntu onevision bethu okwazi ukuthi asheshe abone then asheshe akufake ngoba umunye umuntu bezothi awu yini le uke wabona banenza lekhaya leyo nto leyo yabo ugcine ngempela ungayenzanga.
So into engayisho nje mfethu yabo lento music ingisizile in terms of upbringing yangiqoqa mfethu uyazi amajide lokushini ukuthi bese amajida lokushini siqoqala ngento ebhedayo ngekho right.
Yeah.
But amajida if ubone sikiwe emgrooveni sibone nama cherry phela mhlambe sama
yeah very
mavele
boom way out.
Mfethu awume kancane ngisabhizi la.
Yeah.
Abo sileyo nto ngiyabhizi ngiyapractice ngiyekigini ngiseventweni eziningi.
Ngoba phela uyazi ukuthi vele even nakhona uma sukuma gig phela bakhona abafuna yabo ukuthi hayi ngeke nami ngihamba naye lo bafo webass. Enibakuzela nenkinga kwabona.
But kusenza self discipline i-character ne-upbringing yakho ukuthi ukhulise kanjani zonke lezo zinto.
So what do you remember about your first performance ke manje ke doing your basic? How did it feel?
Mfethu I was so excited and nervous at the same time ngoba phela khona lento ekuthiwa stage fright.
Yeah.
Uyangena mfethu phela ngisijolo uyivalele ekamereni noma erumini
yeah.
Noma namajita wazi. Ususe stage manje usubona abantu abangaka. Safanele udlale bonke labantu babuka wena. Mfethu awu lesa stage fright. But ke slowly but surely amajita engisipana nawo angimotivate hayi khuleka ntwana ehlisa umoya enza lento oyipracticeile ngempela kancane ke and ugcina network wazi abantu abaningi travela umunye uthi usekigini ethile akuthanda thatha inamba yakhe akufonele kwenye so that's how it works
ayi ngoba vele phela ngeke uze uyibaleke leyanto le stage fright yabo some people they never get through it and uthola ukuthi abanye sebethi ngangi artist just because wahlulwa nje ileyo moment because iyasinda
umunye ujwayele ukuthi osingithi qa kancane just samahlule yabo
agcina amahlule sehamba nawo ngaphela kokuye kuyeqa mfethu ugcina usuplakile ke manje ke ngenxa ukuthi uthukile yabo
ilokho my brother
and ugcina usuflopa ngoba phela ugcina usuflopa phela uma sekunjalo yabo
and into ebhlungu labantu abazobuka bakhokhile phela
and ba demand mfethu
abantu music presentation mulapha e stage uya present so for every presentation there's a preparation you need to prepare
yeah
in terms of amarizali yabo nje bese uyipresent nawe
ukuthi vele uyalidinga uthando music mawuzobheka ngoba even ngisho imali it's not something ukuthi uma uyiqala umusic namhlanje ibe isikhokhelo yabo
ngadle mina after 5 years started to get something
imagine
uyabona from 2006 to 2011
you were just doing it for the love
ngigibela ngeimali zami ngicela pocket money ekhaya ngelapho uzobuya ebusuku esinye isikhathi emateksini zonke lezo zinto
plus amanye amagig phela aphuma late nje especially lawa aqala o6 I feel like lama event aqala o6 7 enza ama artist amuve kabhlungu kakhulu because uzugcina uma usunabantu ufuna ukuthi bakubhenge eimoto nawo abazofuna something futhi uma kufikwa phambili ubone ngathi ama artist asefika afuna utshwala manje
ku tough khona musaqala but at the end of the day ayikho vento elula musayiqala but at the end of the day it's all worth it.
Into ebalekile vele ikhona vele ukuphokophela ngisho mina kuyona yonke into I think ukuphokophela yikho vele kahlahla ukhiye because without khona ngabe kade sonke sa give up mfethu any expect nje mhlawumbe of life esikwenzayo yabo ngabe kade sa give up so manje wena mhlawumbe ungathi ama challenges ke nje from being in the industry lokuyona kube imaphi and mhlawumbe wa overcome kanjani.
Most challenges ila ukuthi as you booked for a certain event nivumelana nemali ethile mhlawumbe how phela most times mina engirealize la music especially thina ama musicians noma ama artists there's a difference between ama-artist nama-musicians achazela lokho
yeah awungakuchaza nje ungakuchaza
i-artist uthothi lona likwi-post likwaziwa lona liqashwe upromoter kune-event uyabo uyazi ukuthi mengafaka i-poster kaNjabulo mhlawumbe ngisenginabantu ngenze example asisi isemlazi event stadium esithile mina ngiyazi vele ipromote yazi ukuthi njengoba ngibhukha uNjabulo uzogcwala event yakho uyazi uyabo so mina njengoNjabulo sengine-team yami la abaculayo abadlalayo thina ama-musicians thina sidila ne-artist because sideliver music quality artist yabo
inini enlenza lishine kahle kahle
lishine ngoba i-identity siperform lenze yonke into thina kahle kahle
and alikwazi ukuperform
singeke unless mefaka i-CD nake
njengoba sekwenziwa manje ade kukhalo phela nguMaskandi kuthiwa bayobulala le gang uMaskandi kuthiwa hawa uMaskandi usashaya live
yabo thina senza live
ngani manje abasawushaya live kahle kahle kwakusho ubalo lo babo native rhythms uye phela bekhala ethile le labo qhawelami la bethe bawubulela uMaskandi ulive abasawushaya ihlobo kahle kahle sekubukwa amagida ngoma nje manje yabo
ufuna ulive kahle kahle utshengisa talent lakho liphiwe uNkulunkulu
angani manje into ebashaya ubona ibona ukuthi abanye abakwazi ngisho phela sekukhona ngisha amaswidi manje acula uMaskandi thothi uyabona ukuthi hayi lona akawasho ukushaya isiginci yabona abantu ofazi omnyama abantu abeshaba esibelethe ngeke usabathola manje yabo ngeke usabathola manje laba manje lisekha ilento zazo sokucula nje ukuthi umuntu eda ama vocals nawo futhi ekusetshenziso FL Studio ukuthi alungiswe yabo awafani na
yabo uthola ukuthi i-crowd futhi isaqhubeka mhlawumbe ingoma phela isiphelile nje ubufaka iCD uzoqhubeka kanjani i-crowd isayithanda leyo ngoma
yabo sekumele ulokhu uphindana nengoma eyodwa manje
so i-challenge engayisho mina ayithi sizidlalela i-artist i-artist most of the times i-agreement i-artist nawo ne-musician isuke i-verbal ayikho isuke ibhalwe phansi so nihambe mhlawumbe no-perform egoli niyatravela la ngenze akuthangele nje kahle into umuntu nihambe 2 days negoli niyatravela menifike egoli perform how ndoda phela uthezongikhokhela hayi manje usekhokha less nalenivumelane engane
uyabona
uyabuya endlini manje uhambe 3 days yabo ufika ulambatha uphethe lutho do you think it's fair le nto
ngeke ayikho favorite ayikho fair
asizinengane mhlawumbe nonkosikazi nomuzi ubaba uye egoli yosebenza ufifice nama challenges bakuphuzisa utshwala lapha udla inyama ubuye udake endlini awuphethe lutho
uyabona
yabo
uyabona ukuthi inkinga leyo manje ngeke baze ba understand uzothi uyiphuzile phela into esuke izoshiwo ngeke sashiyo ukuthi kade bemphuzisa kuzothiwa uyabona imali nje obingekho uyiphuzile nangu udake
yabo and move nkosikazi ungunderstanda leyo nto njalo mwenza leyo nto sometimes umuzi wakho
and uyazi ukuthi uma kukhona nanotshwala ukuthi bahlezi bezobacabanga ukuthi nabesimame bebekhona yabo kancane ukuthi ngathiwa bekunotshwala ukuthi wengasolakali nangapha ukuthi
ayisho singane la endlini idinga i-school fees mhlawumbe yabo so those are the challenges
I feel like ukuthi into leyo ekumele iphele yabo
mina ngathi mina ngatshela amajita asifethu if udlala i-artist elithile you don't have to ubiza ummeli ubize ini iba ne-agreement yakho nje incane naye umtshela nje base eMpumalanga noma ikuphi ngiyokudlalela uzongikhokhela imali ethile engakusayini just a small agreement
cha sengifisa nanokwazi ukuthi ngazi le genge yayishayela uJR eyishaya insimbi ukuthi yena wayeyinika imali
showcase phela
awona phela yavalwa isho ngeke sazi phela nje bisho ingekho
phela uthothi phela ifunding yaphela mhlawumbe babefundwa abantu abathile
ngekulezo nto mfethu ngisho YouTube mfethu can fund into enjenganaleya lena akusinto engathi uyivalwe ifunding because he was making vele mfethu so much money from YouTube nje alone because abebukwa phela lawa ama live session akhe yabo
into engayisho nje sisebenza iqiniso le artist nawe ke uthi hayi mfethu anjalo bra wami brother I mean mfethu na ubuye uphethe something endlini
msho mhlawumbe egcine sekhokhela ama artist monje mhlawumbe ukudlula even kwabona abantu ngempela huwa behind the scenes because phela o live bakhe bekuhleze ekhona wonke umuntu ozokwazi and nane talent kubantu bakhe mfethu bebekwazi ukushaya yonke ibeat yabo which is something into ongayazi ngoba phela ngisho kwalona artist ibeat esuke iliyenze ke FL Studio uthi liyenza vele liyahlanganisa ama sound to ukuthi uyikhiphe ngempela ibeat ukuthi from just nje ukuthi kumix oma drum oma bass yabo oma keyboards yabo skill nje yeah skill nje on its own mfethu
and nemaths ikhona ke kuthiwa abantu abafundi ikhona imaths yazi khona ngani fanele ubala ukuthi okay iverse lamba 4 times i-chorus lo 3 times mhlawumbe i-bridge i-maths ke le so le part samba kangaka 4 times or 8 times
ngoba ungayigeja uma ngathiwa usakwazi ukuyibala
my program ile futhi uphethe ne laptop la program ifa ukwazi ukubala
ish
ne-memory yakho
uthi ubala futhi ubungakhohlwa futhi uthi what you doing la hayi yabona ukuthi should i-process eningi kakhulu yabo izokudinga
so ingakho ngisho ukuthi mina ama-musicians need to get paid because like i-preparation nami ngihlele endlini ungisendela umusic wakho ngiyapractice endlini ukuthi fake ngifike kuwena nami sengisazi story sami yabo
yeah no ngevele they should get paid kodwa phela we jazz mfethu la ko jazz vele kuyakhokhwa mfethu we jazz ngiyababona nje ama artist e jazz etayawalambile mfethu yabo abalambile abantu abangapho kakhulu ko jazz kuyaqaqeka yabo kuyaqaqeka kancane so manje ke wena nje badu usubala nanokuthi ke ugcina usubuya ngisho na phesheya yini build up ukuthi uze ufike to that stage ukuthi ugcina usuyodlala kanje
aphela ukuyimisela mfethu uba prepared yabo mina mfethu for every gig I play I make sure ukuthi ngidlala igig sokuba sengathi sengizofa I perform mfethu I give it to the best of my ability yabo so lamajida la engangayo nawo Orkanti sihamba futhi Orkanti
yabo uzobuyela nini
ngo November
London nice mfethu ngizokwenda ko London
no January se New York nawo mfethu bangibona ngiperforma somewhere athi lentwana le mfethu ingako
udlala njengalomjido ombona nawe ukuthi ya
phela kodwa phela nami sengifaka into identity
ya
zonke leni so they are very impressed sahlangana naye nabo lokho esisebenza kwaba khona ifunding kwaba khona iapplication National Arts Council wathi hayi kunento kanje phesheya applyana kwa-apply ke saphasa kanjalo wasikhokhela ama-flights nayo yonke leyo nto
banibhukha nje vele nje phela phesheya akukhokhwa nangamarandi ke nayo into emnandi phesheya akukhokhwa nangamarandi kukhokhwa nje ngemali othi uma ubuya la eMzansi
senga-experience ama-dirham nama-euros yayazi into engingayiphatha kanje
yazi uma uphethe 1,000 euros ukuthi
angikhulumi ngerandi
Vele 18 rand moyiletha amarandi vele 20 rand
usase airport nje bethu ayisimanje phela nje uswipe ngekhadi lakho uyabona uthi ha
kodwa mshoda nikhala phela mosasuka ngapho usaya ngalena ngoba ngathi ibancane kakhulu mosasuka la eSouth Africa iba mlandi masubuya ubheke ngapha yabo
so balo ushintshe usukehle uR kunendawo eshintshayo lapho before uphume nje kuma customers
how was the feeling ke mfethu ukudlala phesheya compared to because phela msho ukuthi kade nidlala eMzansi noma usudlala phesheya it was a different atmosphere yabo
it's very nice it's a very nice experience you get to meet all producers directors all over the world because phela le festival yana ihlanganisa wonke umuntu osemhlabeni thina la eSouth Africa ithina so represent nase Africa phezulu kunabanye ko Europe yabo you get to network and share stage nabantu yonke leyo nto benibuke so zonke lezo zinto lama gig lawa nje manje la eLondon sathola troll ya gig
uyabona ukuthi yonke into iya build up vele to something else
ne character yomuntu yabo
passion, very passionate. I feel like it's the most important. If you're not passionate about what you're doing, I don't think very good you can succeed in anything. Because he passion about even coming up with the indlela of doing something. Because that's one thing. Abanye abantu ngeke ngibabone ngathi bayalekho ukuthi umuntu afuna ukuthi uma kuthiwa akenze something ayenze exactly ngaleyo ndlela kanti you must always do better. Uyabona uma kuthiwa wena ufuneka wenze kanje make sure ukuthi you do lokho abakushoyo then have your own identity because
wonke umuntu upractice face yabo ama basics ayohleze ekhona practice all the time get inspiration abantu abatop nawe ufunde kubona yabo zonke lezo zinto
so manje would you say ukuthi mhlambe you are appreciated more per share than la eSouth Africa based nje kuma gig mhlambe that you've done mhlambe nane gig mhlambe ke yanikhokhela imali ethe ukuthi xaxa
Bese I wouldn't say that. Nabantu engidlala nabo lengisebenza nabo la they appreciate ngempela nakhona ukuthi phela kwaqala ukuya phesheya nami yabo so kwakunaleyo feeling ne-excitement ukuthi nabantu baka-appreciate nje into oyenzayo phesheya ayisho lento enkulu yabo lento ifaka uNkulunkulu yabo
ngoba phela kuhlezi kunice abantu uma bekubona doing ezinye izinto yabo
ukuthi nje mfethu yabona kulezi zinto kuyatravelwa mfethu
kakhulu
ayikahanjwa mfethu uhlala emoyeni 21 hours
eish akuvele phela nje uma yoko America vele kuyaphoqa
la uhleli nomlungu le eceleni
awukwazi ukukhuluma
wesiphatha akasazi ngisho isingisi
mina ukwetizisa ziyakhona
yabo nihleli la mfethu nihleli la phela asigibelo business class no first class yabo gibela
plus phela kusuke kusave vele phela business class inkinga ingeke mfethu yabona ngeke vele lithi ticket kuthiwe linye mhlawumbe 23,000 uthi uyeza business class ithi 70 uyabona ukuthi ngeke
and about 6 short of 7 about 6 bangaki
yabona that's too much yabo that's too much
ngisazofuna ukudla phambili accommodation yonke leyo nto
kodwa kuba ngcono uma ukuthi abantu ibona ngempela uwa covering yabo wonke ama expenses enu from because kuyabiza ukuphuma ngempela kweCountry yabo it's not something
that's a wonderful experience ukubona ama cultures besides ukubona amaZulu njalo or amaXhosa amaPedi wathi yabo just ukubona nje kwamanye amazwe usikwenziwani zonke lezo zinto it's nice experience
uyabona nje even kade ngiseJozi I met omunye na ubafo ngithe uma ngisho ngathi hawu lo muntu ngathi wenza same thing as when I think he plays for the Muffins angazi khona ipende kuthiwa the Muffins umtha irasta benginaye yabo kade ngifike I got a chance ukuthi because ubafo lo ekade sinaye kule program the program that I'm doing that side kushuthi umuntu amaziyo vele yabo we went to them usafike sababone emabonenge ngabona ne studio sakhe was rehearsing nje even recording ke because ubuyaculeke yena ke even nanokufaka ama vocals kodwa ngabona this is like ngempela lento into ephushwayo and uyasho na ukuthi they are traveling yabo they even gonna be coming la eThekwini I think man end yabo bezo performa nakhona kodwa ngasho ngathi okushuthi this is something ngempela mfethu that is
ikhona le game le industry it's very big yabo
and idinga ngempela bona abantu abazoyibamba because naye ngiyamuzwa mayikhuluma ngayo ukuthi the passion ngempela idinga ukuthi ube passionate because phela kwakhona ukupractice yabo singakuthatha kancane but there are so many artists othola ukuthi sincane kakhulu isikhathi abaspenda practicing their craft nalokho they are out in taverns they are out taking pictures bona they are kulento yefame for ukubukwa yabo instead of ukuthi kuthiwe ngempela ufuna ukuhlezi eperfecta icraft yakhe yabo
lapho sekusebenza ama musicians abantu bakudlalelayo ukuthi bayabona bakupracticeayo bakwenzisa icraft yakho beyihlanganisa bekutshela uzucula kanje yenza ukuthi yabo
kodwa ngathi
skill nje
keep doing ngempela you guys what you doing manje iband yenu ke nibiza what was it called
I play so many bands manje
cha ngisho the guys lo ohamba nabo kanti kuma band amangaki right now
uthi ngibo khona T5 based ePinetown
okay
T5 we play jazz R&B snake gig nje on Sunday Women's Day
okay
for women and stuff connect to melodic grooves stuff khona versatile band
wonke adlala same genre noma
different genres I play all genres pop R&B jazz gospel I play everything yabo
ku right manje confuse ukuba in different groups ngoba phela msho ukuthi kusuke kungadilwa nenye into ukuthi usuka la funeka uyobamba leya sound yangale
kusebenza idiscipline correct uyazi okay from ngo9 ekseni until 12 ureza nalapho from after 12 from 1 to 4 hlampe so ureza nalapho yabona isilapha isikhathi indaba yokuchitha isikhathi ayikho mina bese ngihambe ngo6 ekseni endlini ize ngibuye ngo12 ebusuku
yabona
sozophila lempilo
yamageza impilo yephantha
kahle sikuhenza uma kuyaphatha mfethu yabo
impilo yephantha vele impilo yephantha mfethu uyayibona nawe ukuthi idinga abantu abomelele ngempela yabo uma ukuthi umuntu ngempela mfethu obuwenza ngoba ubona ubani benza
uyithola njani telephone
izokucala so manje ke ngeke ngakuzwa kade sikhuluma ukuthi uke wakhuluma nangendaba ukuthi you've done izinto no software development manje yini ethe uthi uyi-artist ngapha uphinde futhi manje uzama ukuzi-equipa since we even at Regent senze i-course ndawonye nakhona
evethu uyazi muphuma ekhaya lama academics yabo nje bakutshela kahle hayi la ekhaya kuyafundwa indaba yokutanta nani ungayenza lokutanta wakho kodwa uyafunda yabo ukhokho nomkhulu we lapha tshela kahle usimalume uyi-accountant lo munye uyini kanjani ayekho umuntu ozohlala la ajike nelanga neginci so that's how I went kuyofunda
why programming because phela I will assume ukuthi mhlambe you will start something esondele kakhulu because phela programming it's all about ima code mfethu yabo abantu abaningi hlezi kuthiwa ama IT geek yabo just because
I'm more of a technical person yabo into technical mfethu
so iRegent ke yona ke how did you get in ke Regent because iRegent mina ngiqale last year and this was the first time when you join
lokho umngani wami ebengenza IT support phansi kwakhe company so uyena wangirefer wathi Jabulo ne program ke kanje nje wathanda ukujoin ngathi bring it on my brother anything mina bese grab every opportunity ngeke uyazi impumelelo yakhe kithi kuphi lento kuba usicuthu uthi uyahlala ayisebenzi
ay plus uzoyithola kanjani hlele khoneni wayishilo vele lo madoza uyithola kanjani
ayisebenzi usicutha mfethu
ayisebenzi
you need to grab every opportunity my brother
and we learned lapha yabo mawubheka lapha even lento that we learning into ongathi nawe ngisho even personally yabo ongazenzela yabo because i-home security I feel like isikhathi esiphila kusona mfethu it's something that izolokhu inyukile demand yayo because igebengu ziyanda mfethu i-crime South Africa every day
network namajita
and boy manje you even doing something njengamanje yabo from nje lokuthi umuntu akwazi ukuthi ayifake kuleyo program yabo into vele nabo abanye abantu engifila sengazuthi kufuneka bayi prioritize of it because there are so many people abafuna impilo zabo ukuthi ishintshe kodwa who are not willing futhi ukuthi bashintshe bona because impilo yakho only change when you change yabo uma uthi wena you don't change impilo ingafana mfethu for 100 years
so ukushintsha impilo nje ugrab ama opportunities onikwe wona awu nje vese le opportunity for mina ishintshile impilo yami naku manje ngihleli nawe endaweni ezinkulu ema-ofisini yabo amajita lawo ngangise groupini nawo senze home security nawo ayisibonile sabothi amajita singeke bafethu lo mfutho lo asuthathe siqhubeke nawo saqala something right now busy contracts ama office ethu nenkampani
yabona
leyo nto into engahlangene no music yabona sekuzofika income manje besides music
hayi vele phela iyona indlela mawufuna na uba nebhano njengo Black Coffee mfethu kufuneka mfethu
qashalazi
una uqashalazi yabo ngamuzwa na Black Coffee ekhuluma kanje this guy is a very conscious person yabo ungazoyitshela ukuthi hayi mhlawumbe ngoba nje Black Coffee bathanda abantu kodwa business wise they understand kuyona yonke into
ukuthi wakhona mathi ukuthi we-artist but nama-business
yeah it's possible
most gigs aqhama during weekends uyazi during the week mhlawumbe uyareheza pusha ama-business lakho khona ongenayo akuthuli
ayi ngoba phela mozothi awukwenzi abantu abaningi bafuna ukuhlala yabo and get paid kodwa manje futhi aba-invest because
manje wena uyolinda ukuthi kube ne-event endaweni ethile uzobizwa la khona thothi i-payment izofika after 21 days shuthi uzokwenza njani
uzongasurvive yabo uzongasurvive hayi ngoba phela iyafuneka so manje leskip usifakile ke is it a brand or sikanjani nje sibani
nje mfethu into yami ngiyifakile ngayithanda ngayidesignela le logo for my branding
kuphela ibukeka into that can be something ngampela yabo because phela we need to give back also mfethu yabo lezi zinto mfethu I'm sure ukuthi there are still young kids even nakwamasho mfethu who dream of doing this yabo okungayi pleasure nakhona ukuthi bakuthiwe mhlambe basondele la mhlambe nawo uzobuba trainer khona yabo just nje
mfethu khona intwana iDJ yawo lapha ngiyawazi ama-venue lapha okhawash nobange ngibakhulumele isafethu awufayile intwana 20 minutes noma 30 minutes izwe nayo ijabula idlala into yayo sibone iresponse ebantwini ngoba phela lento esenzayo for abantu kugcineni uthi response ithini
and you never know ngempela ukuthi abantu yini ba entertainer entirely yabo sibona sekwenzeka nathi yabo sometimes kuba nane artist if ethothi uma uthi uyalalela wena uzwe ngathi into yala ihlangana yabo kodwa manje mayisilalelwa abantu abaningi you get surprised the response vethu etholayo ukuthi hayibo kanti yabo because wonke umuntu I feel like ukhona umuntu ongarelate naye akekho umuntu ongeke kube khona umuntu orelate
vele sekuthuli nje
hayi ngeke ukancane vele kancane
phela uNkulunkulu akuphanga lo talent
awu uyaliforce vele nawe kwaphela
ngitheka phela ungaphiwa talent ke kodwa iskill ke phela sekumuntu nomuntu uthi iskill usishapinisha kanjani yonke leyo nto
ngoba phela vele talent alone ay talent alone ngeke izikuthathe ndawo abantu abaningi vele baqhosha ngalokho ukuthi hey mina ngine talent kanti manje uba ne talent
akusebenzi
ayikho into common like talented people yabo wonke umuntu unalo italent iwona iskill and the work that you put yabo
and into vethu yabo ne character vethu you can be talented buka vethu ungawephi you can be talented ube ne skill sonke emhlabeni kodwa if character yakho kuhlaza unjani ayikhohle
yabo ufuna nje ukuthi wena ube wena nje wena yabo
lento ifuna kuba sengathi uyislim ungasona islim ubheke phansi kodwa uyazi ukuthi egcineni ikhona iminyanga ezovuleka yabo wena uzoqhamuka attitude njalo awuhlonipha abantu nani awungeke senze nawe
ngoba ugcina ungasahloniphi lo muntu omdingayo phela into ekiya nje ukuthi ungahloniphi umuntu ozothi uma suthi uyonokha lapha eminyango kuvele kuvuleke
let's be smart
yabo vele yenzeka le nto kakhulu kubantu futhi uthola ukuthi umuntu uzofike xabane nabantu la xabane nabantu uma isefike sethi uyanokha lapha eminyango
so how
vela ngaleni how
okuhlaza nje unhlamba lo awume kancane sobe sibonda ba
even now social media ngengibona abantu ukuthi ko social media they take it lightly lento ovela comment nje faka negative comment nje kumuntu kunabantu abayithatha lightly ngazothi vele it's black Twitter kanti le nto yazi ukuthi le nto iyakuvalela ngempela umnyango yabo
phela ngithi iyona ekutshengisayo character yakho ukuthi umuntu okanjani nama status akho ukuthi wathi unomandi izinto oyipostayo muhlezi uposti kanje siyambona lo shuthi umuntu okanje kanje uthola khona umuntu akwazi ukuexpressa nje wasixoxa ukwazi ukuexpressa la
through keyboard yabo awasithi ama keyboard warriors lawo yazi
uthola akanayo lo njani isibindi so kuyilo njani so kuexpressa
abanye azashaya nge-fake account bethu umuntu khona umuntu osebene fake account for 3 years
so sikhontela into la ufuna ukuyibhoda ufuna uyikhipha yabo manje akazi uyikhipha kanjani yabo
ay ngoba phela they hate ngempela online nazo online ungayikhiphela into yakho eright kanjani mfethu bafika abantu my problem ukuthi iyahamba ke the way yabo ngasikhathi be hate that's why uthola ukuthi ibhebhetheka kakhulu yabo because ngasikhathi umuntu befike begxeka kuthiwa hayi yila ngempela ke uthola ukuthi ama views azothi yabo
mina vese ngasho ngathi mina for my own music mina ngino music angithi online and stuff whether uyathandwa noma uthandwa noma khona ohetayo noma njani mina mengikhiphe lento efaka uNkulunkulu kuphela ileyo nto neveli
iyonto ebalekile
izogeze inhliziyo yami
so asike sikhulume nangawo ku music ke nje usasho nje nawe usakuyona itopic ukuthi you have a music online khona ini is it an EP an album
okay I've got a single
okay
isingle nga wrote it ngo2019 ikhona online YouTube Spotify iTunes
ingani single
it's about thanking God ukuthi he keeps on blessing us noma kunzima njalo emhlabeni but uhleze sibusisa he makes a way khona inyanga evele ivuleke na ungazi
unga understand
kunzima bese masosa njalo seJozi bekunzima kodwa kwavuleke wafika
ngani yabo
uma leyo nto iphile ngoba ngalibhala loculo so awusamani usayicula because I could feel ukuthi ifuna ivose kanje
okay
stuff keep and I've got to sing EP khona online futhi
na what's ibizwa ngani on EP
ngayibhala ihope ngayibhala ngesikhathi kuyi covid kuyi lockdown yabona ngesikhathi kuyi lockdown we wrote so many songs uhleliye phela endlini manje yabo so it was giving more hope to abantu babe depressed kushonwa iCovid abanye bavalekile imisebenzi ayikho zonke lezo zinto
I think iCovid fethu was isikhathi ngempela la wonke umuntu was given an opportunity fethu to figure out themselves ukuthi bona bawubani kahle where do they belong because uma ubheka wonke umuntu futhi lapha ngishathi umuntu obenayo imali obenani kodwa was out Uyabo khona isikhathi la wahlala khona nawe uthi ngoba vele isakhona imali hambe yonke into siyabizi siyaphela kwayona imali.
Mina ngisizwa ngithi COVID kakuyi opportunity ukuthi you need to calm down ke manje uhlele endlini ayi ubusy vuka kuseni uyahamba njalo hlala down ke zifune wena ukuthi mina ngikuda kanjani creativity ke manje
yabo. So manje ke nje nakuyona EP ke ngifuna ukuthi sike si describe mhlawumbe ingoma since ubusushila ukuthi vele the whole EP igama la iHope mhlawumbe how many tracks are there kuyona EP?
5 tracks.
5 tracks. Yeah, asike nje siwabale nje one by one yabo just to uncover them.
Khona le title iHope, just giving hope to the people.
Okay.
We give you hope. We thank you. I know the plans we have for you zonke lezo zinto. Nokubonga ke no thank you.
Yeah.
Nenye ithi better days.
Yeah, which one is the second one le?
Okay, uthi ngiqala nje. Hope ne.
Yeah.
First one. Masubo uJehova. Sicela yena.
Okay.
Masubo better days are coming. Yabo masekuba thank you. Sisiyabonga owawufona njalo sorry.
Hayi ngeke uyawezwa nanama title ukuthi ngempela yabo.
Yabhala ngeperiod lockdown, ya recordwa ngeperiod lockdown sihlele endlini kunzima ngempela. Yabo we needed ithemba kwabantu.
So abantu vele bangayithola kuwona wonke ama platform mhlawumbe ku Spotify uma beyisesha bazosesha bathini.
Unjabulo Hlatshwayo.
Njabulo Hlatshwayo.
Uzobona lensizwa nje iphethe.
Oh vele nakhona ngaphandle vele yona cover vele.
You Dark and Love. Khona ku YouTube, Deezer, Spotify, everywhere khona.
Manje do you register ke kodwa ke music ngoba phela I find so many artists abangabo register music and expect to get paid.
Azindaba. Ingoba ama artists akafuna ukuzenzela yena yonke into enze research uthi ukhipha ingoma wenze njani. Uthemba umuntu uthi hayi ngine manager izongenzela yonke into. Yabo.
Fika manager 290 lapha.
Kanti imali yazi imali kuphi? Imali la kwi paperwork kakhulu
artists.
Yeah. Ngihambe ngiyoperforma la. Wena yabo nje utshela imanager usinekhi endane ethile awuyazi usi ubhale emalini lapha.
Eyabona.
Ubhale 100 sengenze example. Wena ujabulela ukuthi hayi uzokunika u10 kanti vele u90 usewuthe yena.
Plazi.
So you need to know lezi zinto.
Ngikwazi noKhapaso ukuthi oKhapaso ongani uKhapaso I think uKhapaso iwona lokukhokhela for performing.
No Sambro onke lonto.
Ngoba phela ngezwe na uKhapaso ukuthi every time you perform ungabuya ne video noma yini proof yokuthi okay this is what I was performing.
Mina I had an opportunity ke ukuthi during lockdown ngiyenze research lezi zinto ngiyifunde ukuthi uSambro wenzani uRisa wenzani ama SRC code yini yonke leyo nto uyabo.
Andilapho phela imali ku music because nama mangathiwa mhlawumbe khona umuntu othi uyalalela online ezwe ingoma yakho mhlawumbe ayifake ku show ethile you will always get paid yabo.
Yabo phela wazi wena unojabulela ukuthi uyoperforma endaweni ethile ushare stage mhlawumbe no babes jabula lokho.
Mina ngengibone nje amakasi rappers mfethu yabo ngendlela amakasi rappers aqhaphazeka ngayo. Amakasi rappers awafune ukuregister music into abayifuna bona amabhazi kuphela ukuthi fike nje adrop amabhazi abuyele ngenyawo nasekhaya bayibhayithe nanengoma yakhe labayiregister ukudlula yena
bayitshontshe
bazoyintshontsha vele futhi makubonakala ukuthi lo muntu akayiregister le ngoma bazoyintshontsha uyizwe lapho usuyizwa kwi-artist elikhulu lapha na ku TV noma usuyizwa ku radio and uma uzosho lapho ukuthi le ngoma yazi ukuthi yami akasekho umuntu ozokholwa wena over celebrate.
So first I think mina advice ngayo it's very important to know all of these things. uSambro wenzani
cha sike sibachazele nje nanabo because vele mfethu kuyona yonke into that we do ngiyathanda ukuthi sithi sikhuluma mfethu be also providing i-master class because manje funeka abalazi lolu lwazi lolu
uSambro vethu that's way platform la ubone khona into ekuthiwa iSambro code qala uyapplyela ukuthi ufuna ube yimember ube yimember
lesikhokhelwa ngicakhokhwa malini manje is it 600 manje yayi free before
so 600 for uregister ube membership yakho yaSambro I think into engenyunyana le yanto artist
yabo and then bona they pay you for ukuthi udlala
nje asithi ingoma yakho idlala eRedwin ukhozo Metro FM whatever yabo ingoma yakho nje lokhu idlala iyakhokhelwa phela
for every play
for every play ine airplay no bani yonke leyo nto so ngeke ukwazi uyithola leyo nto ungaregistile lapha so for uthole iSambro number uyihambise mase uyaregister ingoma uthi mina Njabulo khipha ingoma e1 no2 no3 no4 I duration ingaka u3 minutes kamalayo ukuthi nayi code yami akhona
then uma khona abanye abantu do you give them nabo something ukuthi mhlawumbe khona umuntu oparticipate nayo umnika certain percentages
royalties ama percentage ethile mhlawumbe kuno director no producers lapho nivumela ngasayenza ingoma uthi mina ngifaka into ethile ngifaka into engaka uyasho uthi hayi mfethu noma ngiphu 6% la mungenze njani abanye ama deals abawenza njalo abanye uhlabahlukana ukuthi hayi mfethu
uzokunika ucash
ufuna ucash yami ngedwa 100%
ayi kodwa umuntu usuyiganga mfethu umuntu ovela afuna ucash ayifile ukufuna ucash mfethu yona disaster
ngesikhathi sukusona mhlawumbe udesperate udinga imali abo ama circumstances awafani
sebebaningi abantu even in movies mfethu that we've heard ukuthi wakhethiswa kwathiwa ufuna u6% of iprofit ezokwenziwa from this movie noma sikunika u22 million manje athi umuntu hey 122 million manje
yabona
uthi uyezwa later imovie was made ama trillion mfethu imali angabe ayithola wo 10 billion
ucabangela isituation yamanje acabanga ngobuka le yabo
then ke from uSamro yiphenye urisa ukhona
ukuthiwa ISRC code
okay
la khona mase uyiregister ingoma yakho yaSamro for uregister noRisa
wenzani noRisa
urisa la for ama icode ngqo ehlane nengoma ukuthi okay icode ya ingoma yakho idlale eradweni noma kuyi music video yakho idlale ku TV singaka yonke leyo
ngokusho ukuthi wena nje kahlahle utracker wonke indawo ngisho wathi uyidlala from ama commercial radios nalawa phansi isuke nje ichecka nje ukuthi ingoma khona la esanda khona
futhi wakusendela ama emails o ama newsletters mhlawumbe kunama awards endaweni ethile mhlawumbe kunani ukutshela ukuthi apply yenzani yabo zonke
izinto kushuthi kahlahle banginika vele nane information ngaphezulu
ukuthi kwenzakalani
bona ukuregister nabo khona ifee noma
ngagcina u400 and something zonke lezi imali zo once off
phela nayo into ezimnandi ngayo yabo
and une online platform iwe wazi ungena ufaka ama code akho ucheck ukuthi ingoma yakhe kanjani mhlawumbe usuna malini ebank zonke le isininga malini lapha yabo yonke leyo nto so into kanjalo mase kuba ama online platforms ke lawo ukukhipha ingoma yakho ke
la usebenzisa ama distributor kanje
ama distributor uthi ingoma yakho iphuma ku iTunes nani
unama distributor mhlambe wena that you can recommend nje no mhlambe that you familiar ngawo
khona DistroKid but mina
DistroKid ngengeza abantu abaningi bawusebenzisa kakhulu
mina ngifuna ngiyisebenzisa lo but mina ngisebenzisa uLevel Music khona ekuthiwa uLevel Music
okay
uLevel Music nguthandela ngoba it's a once off subscription unyaka so into engayibona ku tune khona DistroKid njalo uzokhipha fanele ukhokhe kanti la ukhokha once mhlawumbe u300 egcina u300 khokha once ukwazi ukukhipha up to 50 songs
that's a lot yabo kusho lapho ungakhipha nama album mhlawumbe ngisho 2 lapho
kuwena and uyakwazi ukufama ama artists ebengaphansi kwakho yonke leyo nto lapho
kusho ba offerisha izinto eziningi nawo because mina ngangibona no Sjava babona ba distributor ba Africore
so into kanjalo ingoma yakho miphasile nesithombe sakho bakutshela bekusendela email congratulations ingoma yakho izophuma umhlakathile
kune standard abasifunayo
hayi ngeke yabo phela ngeke ufine nawe isithombe yabo from nengoma yakho uthi mhlambe ilento le imasterishwe kahle and stuff yonke leyo
ukuthi ya balance
yonke lezo zinto yabo wathi uqala submit bebuyela kwena after 3 days sebekutshela abakusendela email bathi hayi lungisa 1 no 2 no 3 no 4 lokho musukulungisile hayi ziyadumaka that's why ubona ama artists amaningi ethi asi 23 March coming out soon after low post coming out soon ngoba isiphasile lapha yana
usuke nje seyibambele nje phela ukuthi ayinike marketing yanele ukuthi
usafike beningi kuma Facebook ama social media usuyazi nalapha ku tune kunoma DistroKid uthi hayi into yakho vele siphasile so lana usuthi coming soon bani 3 days or whatever 4 days left
ngaphela na imarketing mawuyibheka imarketing iwukhiye kulezi zinto ngengibona ngendlela ama artists amove ngayo ukuthi kunama artists othotha kodwa ku same level ngokushaya ingoma kodwa uthola ukuthi ngokuba neinfluence mhlawumbe nane following uthola ukuthi they are not on the same level ngendlela laba abanye abamove ngayo nakhona understand ngayo ukuthi i-team ibaleka ngakanani ukuthi to have people in place who are doing this and this.
Senza indaba yo PR ke lapho nabantu abawenzela market ngeke bese uyi-artist uzenzele yonke into khona.
Yeah.
Ngeke bese
ngabe utiri
akazike lapho akazike ngeke bese uzenzele yonke into bese uzenzele marketing ama bookings i-admin uya-coordinator uya-drive yonke leyo
ngeke uzo burn out kahle kahle ngoba phela nakho burn out
perform stage futhi hayi khohlwa mfethu as much as mhlawumbe ungaba selfish ufuna yonke imali ize kuwena yonke lento ongafuna ukukhokha but it's impossible.
Yeah. Nanokuthi vele kuyasave isikhathi lento ukuthi ube neteam yabo
ngeke bese ngibhizinisi result neteam yami la ezinye izinto fanele ilungise i-admin mhlawumbe ama flight bookings nani fanele ngireze nalabo futhi
uyabona uzogcina unenkinga lapho
serious
ugcine sesizothiwa usawa Twaye wavela wabhena out uba noma useyahlanya ngoba phela maningi phela nama artists agcina mfethu they end up going crazy mfethu uthola ukuthi artist alisekho right ngisho ekhanda sekuhlezi ikhala uthi ubani yazi ukuthi engave good
stress zonke lezo zinto uyayi overwork kahle
hayi ngoba abantu kubalekile ukuthi abantu ngempela bawu register music yabo especially
hayi qhubeka
ngisho nje especially like KZN cause go Jozi I feel like go Jozi they already understand these things akekho umuntu ongasuka la KZN asuke lo Western Cape asuke la iya khona aye Jozi and mayisefika lapha afika shaw music ongaregistiwe yabo ilama artist ethu la uthotha ne talent cause liningi talent like KZN kodwa
hayi kakhulu
bambalwa kodwa futhi ama artist akhokhelwa ngomusic ala KZN sekuyilawa seJozi uyabo laba nje abahlala la straight futhi emalokishini nje kakhulu emalokishini ama artist asemalokishini asakhiphela ukuthi umuntu adume ngakubo yabo
ithavena kubo mhlambe
yabo iplan akana
kade ngisho bese uthi yabo that's why uthola artist elikhulu mhlamba lidumile bese lishona awusena mali umuntu ade performa ngaka sikuthiwa sicela umphakathi usanikelele
sekuyadonate
lezi zinto ade ngizisho ukuthi you need to know understand the paperwork avele usayini
uzosekuthiwa mfethu phosa no 10 rand uthawo
umuntu kade travel edumi South Africa yonke edumi Africa yonke umhlaba wonke
obeka shaya i4
ngana lutho
umuntu obeka shaya i4 knife emhlanga mfethu
yabo
thothi ushaya i4 knife uyashoot live uze usho nawe uthi ngiyayifisa lempilo
mase shona ngasena lutho mina ngibona bese gula kunzima mhlawumbe
mina ngibone ngisho udalezi bekuthiwa udalezi beshama white party fethu every phela udalezi abantu nje bebeshama white party kodwa manje kade sedonatelwa manje kuthiwa uyagula awahlangana amafizi ukuthi anayo ngiyasho kodwa ke kodwa ama artist ethu fethu why fethu we have to put ourselves
besides lokho lifestyle uthola imali seyithola emakikini kodwa manje ehlezi ngisho ukuthi if uka music mfethu iyafana icareer music nokuba accountant noba ummeli uma yini
noba umdlali webhola iyafana yonke
fanele wenze yabona into ukuthi ngizodla imali namhlanje because kunenye igig vele kusasa ngizoyithola uthi mhlawumbe ngikhokhela u15 la angiyazi uselo 15 uthi ngudla ngizothola omunye ngakusasa awucama mase kuthiwa udla mhlawumbe u13
eish
mhlawumbe kubeka u13 udla u2 yabo
uyaphinda futhi nangakusasa same thing
ngashaya in 2 years ngoba usunamalini
ayi ngoba ngempela ungani bekuhlezi kukhalwa ngabadlali bebhola kuthiwa kodwa manje mina sengibone ngathi ama artist ayase yabadlula ngisho abadlali bebhola mfethu ngokuthi abantu babe broke after letozana because now phela music asindi mhlawumbe uyi artist singasasho mhlawumbe ama musician because ama musician kancane yabo even omadala kunene we still play omadala kunene namanje yabo because dawa ama musician phela lawe yabo umusic wakhe will always be relevant khona labo thothi umuntu mhlawumbe ungena kwipiano mhlawumbe uzoyidumela 5 years noma 10 years yabo akusisi isikhathi esingako lo abonye usuwe nenhlanhla uma idume 15 years
yabona ngilade ngisho ukuthi khamba i-lifestyle oyiphilayo lapho ukuthi le mali nje ubuthola ama bookings uyenzani uyasave uqala into ethile ngoba ngeke uhleze ubhuku yabona nami ngeke ngithi sengino 50 kuyohle lento ya music iya generate kuyohleze kufika intwana ezintweni njalo kufika intwana ezidumayo mina basakuthola unjabula basakwazi uzobhuka lento
mina plazike phela uyazazi intwana encane fika nearrogance vele ngaphezulu yabo
sebhuka intwana ethile mina ngeke ngithi kuno 50 manje sengibangisana nentwana
Eish.
fanele manje nje wangine leminyaka emingaka fanele ngenze short ngiyasebenza lifestyle yami ngiyainvesta ngenzani ngathami sekufika nami sengikhathala nami negazi phela ngeke uhlezi ugijima njalo
Yeah.
usuyazi usayivela usebenzile usudla imali siyakukhokhela
So manje ama-artists angafundiswa kanjani lento zoku-investa cause phesheya ama-artists aphesheya even ngisho Snoop Dogg yabo nje bengeke ngibona Snoop Dogg ukuthi makuthiwa kune-crypto ekhona ukuthi they will always be there makuthiwa kune-NFT ekhona ba-own ama-properties ba-own zonke lezi zinto that's why uthothi bona banama-shares emakhampanini amakhulu umuntu uyayisebenzisa kwamanye ama-shares uma ukuthi uzokwenza i-marketing uvela athi ngicela ukungakhokhelwa nginike nama-shares thina which is something different like thina kuyalanjwa like thina yabo because vele I feel like ukuthi uma uyi-artist vele that's the only way ukuthi kahlahle nawe ube na something ukuthi u-own lezi zinto that will always be generating money for wena without you being there specific
ukuhamba lama workshops abakhona mekuthiwa i-bet center kune workshop ethile uhambe khona ulalele uthathe opportunity network lapho mekuthiwa nje ICC mhlawumbe kuno minister uyasibiza sihambe sekhona siyozisiwana khona opportunity uzoyithola lapho yabo
hayi ngoba ngempela ama-artist manje I feel like mina funeka siphele isikhathi sokuthi alambe yabo
lifestyle nayo kufanele ishintshe uthi ngiyazi ukuthi mengikholile le gig ngiyasave ngenza ukuthi ngiyainvest
plus lawa sethola 150k yiwo lawa thina spenda kakhulu
150k usubhubhudla wonke weekend yonke
Ushayi white card. Ngabe ubhubhudla alibase ubhubhudla social media phela.
Being smart ne wisdom.
Ufuna ukutrenda lapha ku Twitter ubona nangeyingane phela abayiphathayo mfethu laba legege esiphumelela ukuthi nje qala lapho mfethu uthi uyayibheka uyabona ukuthi lo muntu ophathwa yilo muntu lona mhlawumbe lo muntu ngenyanga umaintain uyawudinga u30k. Yabo uyabona bana umuntu uthi lona ukumaintain lo
lifestyle yabo sabayiphila. So I think na i-account no abuse utshwala ama lifestyle zonke lezo zinto yabo so mase sibambe lapho ngoba ikhona first ikhona imali ka music
yeah
ave sikhona
nathi we grew up thinking ukuthi ayikho nathi baningi abantu mfethu who used to tell us ukuthi ayikho kodwa manje
indlela esiphatha ngayo thina ukuthi okay imali ethile fine ngenza into ethile ngiyazi ukuthi ngiphesha lapha ngithenga umuzi ngithenga iproperty ngiyaqashisa yabo ngiyazi noma uthi hayi mhlawumbe kule weekend angibhukhiwe kodwa lapha uzongena imali stress free nake lapha
hayi ngoba vele kuyadinga I feel night ukuthi even kwathina abantu boma podcast yabo it's our responsibility vele to get the message out there yabo especially with this new age because this new age it has too much talent kodwa we have so many obstacles that are facing us yabona from drug abuse from alcohol abuse and zonke lezo zinto uthothi ezinye zidalwa na depression at the same time
ndasana indaba ngivele ngiyodaba
yabo and manje ngeke uzuyibalekele futhi izinto ezino depression when it comes to making music so wena uma ukuthi you find yourself in that space yini mhlawumbe ukuyenze ukuthi uzikhiphe kuleso simo
njengoba ngikutshela bethu ukuthi mina engisiza ukuthi ngihlezi ngi-up and down yabo
ngoba busy
ngibusy so uba busy kwami kwamagigi studio session kuyangisiza yabo hayi ngoba mhlawumbe ngiyibona ukuthi ngingcono kunabanye ngikho ngcono so kulento ukuthi ngithathe i-opportunity engiyinikwayo uma ukuthi ngizofika endaweni ethile uma ukuthi angifike ngo-10 ngizofika ngelo engihlala phansi hey manje ngisadala
awuzofika upast 10 phela abanye benze njalo ama-artist
hayi manje ngisadakiwe sisaphuza ivitsoro bewibhabhalazi
plus khona abantu abayichazayo lo ukuthi it's an excuse but
so I think lezo zinto ezisizayo yabo nama opportunities engiwatholayo iminyango evulekayo for mina I think i-correct ukuthi iqiniso ngiyalazi nami story sami ngifike sengisazi
awumphoci nomuntu okubhukhile
yabo navo labona nthini intwana le engizosebenza nayo ke next time impressile ifike ngesikhathi ipresentable iqoke kahle idakiwe yabo nengoma edlalayo uyasazi yabo manje lo muntu angambhuka kanjani lo
awuyobuyaganga phela kunzima kangaka usebenza nama artist mfethu yabo kusebenza nama artist mina mfethu I've done event organizing before yabo ngiyasazi stress okudila nama artist yabo awunqeni ukuthi ungathi line up yakho usuyihlele mfethu week ukuthi le line up izoma kanje bayixove yabo lo afike lo ngaleskhathi lo munye afike ngaleskhathi lo munye and manje wala lento kufuneka uthi uma ipresenta kubantu ingabonakala ukuthi isixovekile
yabo stage manager wakho uphathwe ikhanda ngali
yabo usalindele ukuthi kuzongena ubani twice ubani usefikile ubani akafiki sekuthiwa ubani akangena
umunye uthola ukuthi ufikile mhlambe asikusawu 8 abone mhlawumbe abantu abafika ethi angengena lesikhathi ngizongena ngo12 sekugcwele ukuthi
lapho ipost yomunye umuntu futhi leyo yabo sekumele ushintshe
ulimele manje
ingakwazi begcina bephucana nama mic ngemaskandi yabo kugcina sephucwana ne mic
mina I think now you should stand your ground now uthi hayi mfethu kuya nje it is what it is awukho ukudlula lokho
awuthi awekho professional mfethu hayi mina ngibone ngisho amakasi rap afika umuntu futhi efakele iskindi uthi uyambona lo muntu mfethu uyawo lo muntu kahle abantu mfethu bazokhala la ukuthi why did I pay mfethu ukuthi ngizobuka lo muntu yabo ongathi iphumele emgwaqweni
nje lento isho ngeke ngadlala ku event la People's Park enkulu FDR Fake Durban Rocks isikhathi ka5 ngene ngazo past 8 yabo una stage manager manje itraffic lapho sibambekile yabo kune traffic yongena lapha abanye basuke emahashini mfethu sesangifika khona ngo8:45 sesiyasho ukuthi abafethu sikhona athi hayi nje khohlwane babhayini babhayini nje benze njani la esibenje isikhathi sendiwe ku8:30 amanje traffic nje lapha kufanele suke early yabo
and akuseyona indaba yabo sebefuna nemali ngoba bese bedepositile ukuthi akubuye nemali back manje yabo ube
kodwa lapho sifikile emini senze sound checks a test yonke into ku right inke manje traffic isibambile shuthi bekufanele sisuke ngo6 kahle kahle yabo so
ngoba abantu abafuna ama excuses mfethu nayi inkinga
umuntu phela yawazi ukuthi mase khokhile ufuna idelivery into yakho
and izinto umazi serious izona lezo oyibona ukuthi ngisho indlela nama strangers yabo gcine bese ngazi ukuthi manje usuyakhetha sekuthiwa because mina we were doing deep house yabo and with deep house ko DJ bakhona ayabanye abawuthatha serious umsebenzi wabo yabo omunye uthothi uzothi uyafika la ufika une playlist eyodwa yabo usiyazi ingoma zakho uthi DJ ophumile mhlawumbe uyidlalile ezu4 ezikule playlist yakhe sekuyi disaster ke lapho ngaphela ngeke ukuthi kuphume umuntu
akasazi manje uzodlala manje
yabo ungazi ukuthi why because o Black Coffee bethu abantu abafika noma 15
uprepared
o Black Coffee bafika na 15 noma USB yebo ufika lalela ukuthi okay kudlaleni usiyayazi USB kumele ayisebenzise
yabo lento ngitshela yona ukuthi i-preparation practice awukudlula upractice mfethu for practice my brother
ngayi ngoba ngeke vele uzukubalekele mfethu to be good ngampela you need nawe mfethu ukuthi uqala ukucabanga ukuthi ugood and act njengomuntu ngampela ogood because yonke lento it's an expression yabo mina I do believe ukuthi it's an expression indlela the way we live our life mfethu the way we hustle the way we go after things esifuna it's an attitude it's an expression we have to understand it thina kuqala before wonke umuntu yabo can even adopt
usazi story sakho before abanye abantu besithanga
I know kodwa ngiyabona ukuthi mfethu ayini niphusha ngolayini ngampela yabo yabo nama hopeful ukuthi nami vele sisazoke nathi kube khona into ngampela esiyenzayo because mina when it comes vele to music mfethu I love music yabo kakhulu I do believe ukuthi there wouldn't be life mfethu without music yabo because music anything that we do there's always music
music it's spiritual my brother yabo nje mfethu umusic uyamhila umuntu olimele ophatheka kabuhlungu down nowafaka umusic wawulalela mfethu uyabuka ithembe yavuseleleka wedi sothandweni wedi gospel ushawe impilo wedi ufuna ukujabula mhlawumbe uphansi ufuna ukudansa music it's spiritual my brother
ngeke ukho la uyofika ungekho khona
ngihamba
yabo akukho
yonke usanda ukulalelana maskandi gospel R&B house hip hop
ngama preference ke nawo ahlukile ama preference ukuthi a good song is always a good song mina ngisho noma mhlawumbe ngoba mina when it comes to music angisiyo umuntu okhethayo kakhulu yabo mina when it comes to music mina vetha I listen to ama genre amaningi of music depending on imood nami ngisengikuyona ngaleso sikhathi yabo because uyongifica mina endlini ngilalela jazz yabo lalela jazz the whole day
so uyishayile wine lakho mhlawumbe kancane
uthi angifica ngelinye ilanga ngilalela iopera uyabo
awudinga imsindo leso sikhathi
umuntu understand ukuthi hey lo mchita mfethu ilela kanjani iopera yabo abanye vele yababhora kunabantu mfethu ababhorekayo mfethu ukuthi ufuna nje into ezohlezi imphithizelise yabo awukwazi to stand still yabo and just be at the moment yabo manje mina uma ngilalela music siwengila kuzongifica futhi ngilalela hip hop yabo ngipholele ngifica afro pop music mina I'm very curious mfethu when it comes to music because even ngisho ingoma ezinye ukuzwa ingoma eSpanish mfethu uthi le ngoma ihit ke le uthi uyizwa ukuthi ithini izwa ukuthi it's a hit yabo because une language yawo on its own music yabo
kuya ngemudo kuyona lezo sikhathi usudingana
yabo so manje ke wena ke mfethu nje asithi ke ezunjabulo ungathi yini South African dream mfethu in this century nje mfethu sesikuyona because I feel like it's something esingakayi define kahle in a way kanti iyona futhi mhlawumbe into engasinike i direction yabo even thina as a country.
I think the government na first season in terms of opportunities mfethu yabo I talent elila iminyango nama skills kunabantu abantsoyela ukudlula ngisho kwayimini but ama opportunities abawatholi that's why uthola be frustrated bethu zonke lezo zinto bethu umuntu une stress so sakwazi nokudla ingane yakhe mhlawumbe umunye because opportunity ayitholi so ilento engiyifisayo bethu ukuthi ama opportunities abe khona nathi ke thina side lethu if iqhamuka opportunity make sure umusukudlala ngayo opportunity grab it with both hands bethu so ile nto ngingayisho
no mfethu hayi mfethu ngiyabonga nje kakhulu mfethu ngokuthi ufike so manje umuntu ofuna ukufollowisha angakufollowisha kuphi nendawo mhlawumbe nje masingamnika wonke nje ama platforms la engakwazi ukuthi afollowishe wena personally akwafuna nokufollowisha wonke ama project akho
it's for my projects and everything nama gigs engiwenzana ukubona ngenzani senza kanjani abantu you can get me on Facebook Njabulo Hlatshwayo uzobona lensizwa nje le
okay
on Instagram Jabs_Hlatshwayo
okay
na ku YouTube Njabulo Hlatshwayo
are on TikTok
I'm on TikTok
okay
TikTok that's where I post most ama gigs lawa ngikwenza government gigs ama corporate gigs
okay uba khona
Jabs_Hlatshwayo uzobona lensizwa
unifana na Instagram yona okay
kunenye EP engisanda uyikhipha engikhiphe ngo March
different from the one lebethi discover
ikhuluma ngothando welo nakhe
inengoma engaka
inengoma ezu4 nayo uthi wanginika ithi ngonje ngamnika inhliziyo yami yonke wayiphula ngazi kanjani but seyikhohle
you know goa
lutho wethu
phela sonke siyagoa
phela usukhuluma ngama situations enzekayo mhlawumbe yabo ingoma kahle kahle it's storytelling ususixoxela istory phela abantu noma unjani noma usothandweni noma unjani yabo
phela abantu bahlezi bezoqala bayithetha yiwo goa yabo before abantu bethe hey buthu begoa lo muntu yabo kube khona ngisho naleyo excess izibone ngathi ucula ngayo yabo ukuthi no bafe icula ngami la
this guy can't get over me okay
uzukhala lathi hayi bo ngabe ngingakhulumi ngawo so manje zona ingoma ke lezo4 nje just ukuthi nazo siyinike brief yabo because ngiyathanda ukuthi fethu yonke into hlezi unpack athi umuntu mayisesha online afika abone lento nehabe sezile ngayo
uthi lezi I want ukuphuma lokukhuluma ngama situations esaswadinga lesikhathi la is talking about love all this love is waiting for the door Cool, it's more for classical music and stuff.
Okay.
Mhlawumbe on the Sunday afternoon kanjalo sithi uyikhathalela ubuyela esontweni uyapheka ufuna yabo
mapha ama vocalist mhlawumbe osebenzile nawo because ngiyawazi nama vocalist ayakuthanda ukubalwa yabo
okulo album ngisebenze nomunye sisithu Simphiwe ngasebenza noantu wami now she's very good ubehlala phesheya kulento yombongeni ngema
okay
ubongekile naye ukwathi empilweni ngathi hey anti ngeke ngithanda munje unethanda elingaka uza la siyongena so naye wabona silabuya ithemba mesithi yabo ngasebenza no Lindo from ama idols uSandile ubambiza uBhunu uLion King manje phesheya oNomonde Gumede MSc manje Spain zonke lezo zinto so they
vele kahle senishaya international
ngiyatshela futhi
seniqina international
ngiyatshela futhi
yabo basesenza nabantu vele abakuma project nawo amakhulu kangaka it means ngempela ukuthi hayi yabo the combos yabona aligning yabo
11 standard
ngoba phela isetha wena ipace mfethu you set your own pace ekugcineni vele mina I will never judge value mina yomunye umuntu mfethu based on numbers yabo njengomuntu nje mfethu obese gaming isikhathi eside kangaka I know mfethu ukuthi influence artist you will never really like measure ngokuthi unama Facebook followers amangaki because I've seen mfethu abantu abane following ephansi futhi doing izinto othi uma uthi uyezwa uthela umuntu ngempela
so umuntu anendaba ne social media kodwa influential emphakathini
isound le yabo because manje ukuthi nathi thina abantu sibuye singa understand ukuthi yini impact hayo yabo sibuye singa understand ukuthi kahle the goal vele it's for your work mfethu ukuthi udume it's not for wena ukuthi because when uyohleza unjabulo yabo you will never change kodwa manje lo muntu osuke edlala lapha can be anything mfethu yabo can be bigger than wena futhi in such a way enkulu ngalendlela yabo
hayi lokho my brother
no mfethu hayi ngiyabonga nje kakhulu mfethu for ukuthi ufike mfethu e-studio sikwazi ukuthi mfethu siyishuthe lento yabo nami manje I understand so much even nangendlela mhlawumbe kwi-space sakho yabo something that I didn't understand yabo and
sibonga mina
and la ina upopile vele yona mfethu into esifuna yabo that's the movement that we pushing mfethu ukuthi abantu they must be conscious mfethu of what they doing because mina ngiyakholelwa ekutheni ukupopa vele komuntu mfethu is to understand ukuthi where your journey is gonna lead you from where you are because kunabantu abayithethe uzondiza yabo nabantu abangena plan mfethu uthi nje hey mina mfethu I'm releasing music because I just wanna be famous and uyabona lo muntu will never get there yabo kubalekile ukuzazi ukuthi how are you gonna move yabo lapha
direction
then imali ke sizoqhamuka because imali into efika late vele yabo akusinto efika
invest first
so ke manje ke for umuntu ke mhlambe mfethu ofila nje stagnant mfethu ezizwa nje stuck mfethu le mhlambe osho ngathiwa nje ubuka kuphi la ibuka khona naye ofisayo mfethu ukuthi noma mhlambe onele ukuthi naye angaqala something kodwa akazi ukuthi angaqala kuphi mhlambe yipi advice ongamnika yona nje into engamenza ukuthi ungalala umqondo because uyazi ukuthi uma uhleli umqondo uyalala nawo
mfethu qala mfethu into engisho qala ungasabi post your work yabo if uqala and you post your work somewhere somehow i-social media ukhona uzobona mfethu ayithanda umsebenzi wakho ukusendela i-message uzoku-DM post your work mfethu qala ungasabi if ufeel usune talent elithile musu kushaya amahloni iba ne confidence uyithemba ube nethemba uzolunga one day akuyena vele umuntu othi avele abe la phezulu sokasafika la sifuna yakho yabo
kodwa ngoba kuyijeni
sikuyijeni uma wayiqala ijeni at least izokisa somewhere
akufani nokuthi umile
umile
I know ukuthi hayi ngiyabonga kakhulu
ngicela step in that ladder is very important
and usithathwa kancane yabo kubonakala ngathi lesesiphezulu
qala mfethu and post your work
I know mfethu thank you so much mfethu for coming through and sharing our work and nawe mbukeli lapha emakhaya uma ukuthi or wherever you are uma ukuthi nawe nje you've watched this far about thank you so much your support means a lot ngiyacela please ukuthi nimfollow isho unjabulo hlatshwayo kuona wonke lama platforms awabalile and also stream music wakhe yabo no stream nje music kakhulu and also click the subscribe big button nalapho kuyona ivideo loyibuka yabo click the subscribe button ngimahalo ukusubscribe yabo I don't understand ukuthi why usincishe usubscribe yabo subscribe nathi siqhubeke sikhule siqhubeke nathi sipush movement because we've shown ukuthi we here for the movement we've been pushing this with no budget with no sponsors and ayikho sign ukuthi we gonna stop nginalokho we still gonna go up mfethu yabo
ngisho kubalekile ukuthi siqale senze something
Lumkile Zinyang signing out thank you.